AI influencers like this are bringing in at least $10,000 a month. In this video, I'm breaking down how to create human-like AI influencers that can make you unlimited income. You can follow this process with zero experience and zero skills because we're going to be using a simple, powerful tool called Apob to handle everything. Step 1. Set up Apob. To get started, click the link in the description to head over to Apob AI. Sign up for an account by entering your email address and password. The process is quick and easy. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. You can see your personal models up here and the community models and content down here. It's incredible seeing what other people are creating with Apob. The plan is for us to make an AI influencer like this and get the influencer to make videos that we can monetize on social media. Once you've set up your Apob account, move on to the next step. Step 2. Create your AI influencer. Click on the plus Create Portrait Model button. You've got two options here. You can upload your own image if you already have a picture of the influencer that you want to create. Or you can use Apob's AI influencer generator from scratch. This is a super handy feature. Click on it. A new screen pops up with a bunch of settings to play with. Up at the top, there's a random button, and if you click that, it sets everything for you. Here are the options you can pick from if you've got something more specific in mind. Let's say we're creating a young female avatar. Look for the gender drop-down, click on it, and choose female. Then you'll see an age slider right below. Slide that over to 25, because it's a good age for someone who feels young but relatable. Next, there's a country list, so click on that and pick American if you want a worldwide appeal. For eyes, we can go for brown. You can even choose the hairstyle, like bangs. We can pick black for the hair color, and then heart with rounded chin for the face shape. You can also add a dimple, beard, or suntan to give your avatar a more unique look. After you've set all those, hit the Generate button. It takes a few seconds. And then, your AI influencer shows up on the screen. She looks so real, it's almost freaky, like someone you'd see posting online. I'm thinking of her as a fitness coach, because that's a niche with a big audience. But you can make her whatever you want, like a fashionista or a travel guru. If you already have an image of your avatar character, here's what to do. On the Create Model page, click on this option on the left, and then upload your character image. I'll use myself. Let it load, and then click on Save. Give your model a name, like Nina. If you're creating multiple influencers or variations, you might want to add a description too. Decide if you want your image to be public or not. Once you've done that, click on Create Your Image Model Now. Apob will finalize your model, and you'll be taken to this page where you can take your character further. Step 3. Generate images with your avatar. Under Image, click on Build Your Own. A little text box pops up where you can type what you want her to do. I'll type in a full-body shot of Nina, standing in a clean, modern, bright gym. She is fit and wearing a gym outfit. Here, we can get super specific by picking from all of these different options. I'll pick the gym for architecture, skip the landscape, choose middle for age, sportswear for clothing, and sunny day for weather. Click on Generate once you've made your choices. I'll keep the image dimensions to 9 by 16 as I'm planning on making a short-form video. After a moment, we get some image options. We can pick the best one and then go ahead and edit it a little more. Hover over the image you want to use. Find the Enlarge button in there and click on it. The image reloads, and now it's way sharper, like something you'd see from a real photo shoot. Here's a great extra step I found. In that same menu, click on Edit Clothing, and you'll be taken here. Scroll through and you'll be able to change the outfit that your character is wearing from these options, or you can even upload an image of clothing that you want it to wear. I'll pick this for Nina to change into, then click on Generate. Just like that, Nina's got an outfit change. For now, you've got a nice polished image to work with. Step 4. Turn your image into a video. Click on your image, and then click on Generate Video. You'll be taken here, where you just need to describe what you want your character to do. I can type something like, a full-body shot of Nina squatting while facing the camera. I'll pick Ultra for the best quality, and I'll make the duration 10 seconds before clicking on Generate. Apob will get to work. It's super simple. While that's generating, let's move on to the next step. Step 5. Generate a voiceover. Scroll up to the top and click on Create Voice Model. You can make a voice from scratch by clicking on AI Voice Model Generator. Click on Guess from Profile. I can take this suggestion and add more specifics, like the voice should be British and confident. Then, we can add some text in the box below. I'll type in what I want her to say in the video where she's squatting. Click on Generate, and then listen to the options. Pick the best one and select it as your reference voice. Once you've done this, save your voice model for the next step. Step 6. Add lip sync to your video. Go to your video and click on the lip sync button here. Click on Generate Audio. Add your script here and pick the voice model that you created from this drop-down menu by ticking the Only Mine box. Then click on Generate. Listen to it, and then click on Select this audio. Now, click on Generate. After a while, you'll have your complete video. Let's take a look.
99% of people don't know how to squat correctly. Don't be one of them. Stand straight with your feet hip-width apart. Squeeze your core muscles. Then sit into an invisible chair. As you're coming up, squeeze your glute muscles.
This is insanely impressive. It looks super realistic, like she's really talking, and the actions are in sync with the script. It's exactly what we need. Step 7. Monetize. Now comes the part where you make money with all this. Once you've got your video, you can upload it to different social media platforms. Personally, I think videos like this would do great as short-form content, and we can upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here's what I would do. I'd create an Instagram profile and make my influencer an AI fitness coach. Then, I'd upload as many videos as possible to grow my account. It's super quick to do with Apob. Having more followers and a large, loyal audience can make you money in countless ways. You can promote your own merchandise, or other companies' merchandise, by getting your avatar to wear their clothes. With my AI influencer, I could promote fitness products, like protein powder, and make money through affiliate marketing. The possibilities are honestly endless with Apob. Click on my exclusive link in the video description to sign up and get started. You can use my code, NINA15, for a 15% discount, so make the most of it. What kind of AI influencer are you thinking of making? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.